Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So, if that's something that you've been looking to do, welcome to my channel. Now, I do just want to take the time to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers because if it wasn't for you guys, the channel would not be growing. But I love how we really help each other. I love making content and you love learning. So if you're new here, I do encourage you to explore some of the playlists that I have on my channel because this is geared towards beginners. And if you're struggling with anything, I'm sure that you can find it there. So in today's quick video, we're going to be doing a trade breakdown, and this is where I review a trade idea that I took in the previous week. Now, the cool thing about these trade ideas are I share them with the students that I am mentoring because I have a copy paste profit system. So essentially, if you are in my personal mentorship program, you will get to copy my trades, learn and earn, and make money before you feel confident to do it on your own. So in this video, we're going to be looking at this USDJPY trade that I posted on September 30th, 2024. And you can tell by the timestamp on the photo. Now, this was recommended on the 4-hour time frame, and it was for a buy at market execution or a buy limit at a previous low. Now, I did give them a few different TPs that they could target. And as far as the stop loss goes, I always say this in my videos, but I encourage you guys to look at the charts, right? You may feel more comfortable taking your trade on a 15-minute. Somebody else may feel more comfortable taking their trade on the daily. So you do want to make sure that you are adjusting your stop loss and take profit to your entry point. And always check your indicators that you have on your chart and use proper risk management as well. So we're going to head over to TradingView and we're going to take a look at what I was seeing when I got into this trade, and then we're going to see how it actually played out. So if you guys have been watching some of my newer videos, you know I'm all about less is more and really focusing on swing highs and swing lows to find my entry points on the higher time frame. Now, a swing high is going to be the highest point that you can see on your chart. And if the market is buying, it's going to be trying to get back up to this point. So we can see that we have our swing low here. This is the lowest place that we can see on our chart. And if we look here, just based on the shape, right, we can see that the market was going up. We see that every time the market got close to this particular price, which is the swing low, it only rejected and decided to buy. So once I noticed that the market was creating higher lows and higher highs, that was my first indication that I wanted to get in for a buy. Now, for me, if I'm getting in for a buy, the most logical thing that I can do is target previous highs. So I set my TP1 at a previous area of resistance. So if the market was to continue to buy from this place, it should hit that. Now I set my TP2 at the swing high. And then I had to zoom out and then I set a TP3 at another previous high. So we're going to hit play and we're going to see what happened. But that was a quick analysis I did on this trade. I literally just looked to see if higher lows and higher highs were being created. And I saw that I did have a safe support area here. And if you look down at the bottom of my chart, you'll see my stochastic. Now, this indicator I use pretty straightforward if it's facing up and my blue line is above my orange line. I'll typically get in for a buy because the market is pushing up. You'll notice if the stochastic is facing down and the orange line is above the blue, typically the market is selling. So when we come over here, right, and we have our market structure pushing up, plus we have our bullish confirmations on the stochastic. I set my TPs at previous highs. And we're just going to go ahead and see what happened. So it's typical for the market to retrace, right? It's always going to be buying and selling, but we can see how even as the market went on, it created a new higher low. We see TP1 was hit, we see TP2 was hit, we see TP3 was hit, and we see TP4 was hit also. So this was a pretty good trade. It worked out for us. Ultimately, we were able to secure about 394 pips, give or take, depending on the entry that people decided to get in. But yeah, I like this pair. Typically, I don't trade JPY pairs every day just because they do move so fast. I like to stick to my USD pairs. However, if I see a nice setup, I'm not going to be intimidated by the market. I'm just going to go ahead and take it. So if this video was helpful or you understood what I was saying, go ahead and drop a 7 in the chat below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more of my trade breakdowns and other videos where I simplify trading and charting for beginners. So that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.